That's wild. Oh my goodness. Do you have a house full of pets where you get dog hair and cat hair everywhere? Look at this. Look at this. We have a solution for you. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this rake. No more bending, no more kneeling. Does that mean I should get off the floor right now? Probably. No more chewing on the box. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today, we are doing a review of this fur rake for your rugs, carpets, stairs, anywhere else you want to use it. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. We're going to open this up. Dun, 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 dun. And we're going to put it together. Oh, y'all want to check it out now? Look, it even comes with a finishing comb. So we can brush more furs off of you. Well, that's a nice finishing comb, too. I know, we could brush more furs off of you so there's less fur on the carpet. So in the box, you are going to get the rake. Look at, I love that it looks like it has little whiskers on it. The pieces to put all of this together in a little comb. It does come disassembled, but look at how easy it is. 1, 2, 3, and the top of the handle, and put the rake on. We're gonna put it together. Okay, so I have it all put together.
They do make a longer one.
They make a longer one.
That's crazy. This would be probably best on like the couch or that little thing. I mean the rug. This is just gonna be crazy.
We're gonna attempt it on the. Oh my goodness.
You already see them.
Yes. That is. Oh my lord. So, that's how you're supposed to do it, in the short little spurts like that. There you go. Once you get it on this dark part, you guys will really see how much fur he's gotten out of the carpet.
That's crazy.
Look at that. Yeah.
Wow.
That's what your vacuum cleaner missed between yesterday and today.
I mean,
that's what it missed. Isn't that crazy? Can you try it on here? Oh, look at that. Look at that.
I probably don't even have to make the little short. I could.
The little short is what, yeah, that usually works the best.
See it working better when it's in the little short.
Uh-huh.
That's crazy.
Look at how much fur. Kira's like, what are you doing?
Yeah, not used for dog.
No. There's definitely, that is a pretty easy way. And yeah, you don't have to bend down. You don't have to, you just go for it. It's going to be your new favorite cleaning tool next to your vacuum cleaner.
It'll really get the stubborn hair out of place.
It gets the stubborn hair off of everything. It works great on furniture, on rugs, on carpet. We have a little one that we use inside of our car that works awesome. This is pretty dang amazing. That's wild. Oh my goodness. That's so much. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can get under the edge of the couch. I'm pretty sure that this video is speaking for itself on whether or not this works. There's a whole dog in the carpet. Like, we could build a whole nother dog out of this. Look at that.
Just comes right off.
Oh, yeah. We definitely approve. Our husky household with lots of fur approves.